In this video, I'll be showing you how you can go about generating a monthly income of $10,000 per month. And I'll be giving you the exact blueprint that I have followed to sell thousands of dollars worth of products and services in my business. So stick right till the end of this video, where I'll be showing you a step-by-step blueprint that you can use to achieve this goal. To make sure that you achieve this goal, here is the business model that you have to follow. If you are a beginner and you want to make $10,000 per month with your business, the first thing that you will have to do is to make sure that you make just a handful of sales and get a $10,000 per month revenue. You just can't go about selling a $10 product and expect to make 1,000 sales to shoot your $10,000 per month goal. Plus, this is extremely difficult if you are into low ticket products and services. So you have to make sure that you are selling products and services that are starting at a minimum range of $1,500, and you are in a position to generate a recurring income of $1,500 per month. For the income goal of $10,000 per month, your starting capital should be $0. Okay, so this is what I'm assuming. So you can get started with your business absolutely free. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is you have to keep your margin above 60%. So the demand of your products and services should be pretty high so that it is easy to fulfill and satisfy your customers. And finally, your business model should be a recurring income based model. If you have all these criteria fulfilled, then you can easily build a $10,000 per month income, even if you are a beginner and you are getting started with less or no budget. The next question that comes to your mind is, what type of service should I sell? The answer is, it should be any result-based service. The only way to achieve your $10,000 per month income goal based on the business model that I have specified is that you provide a service that provides a result to your clients that you have promised. So the best type of service that you can provide to your clients is a lead generation service. Here you can easily charge $1,000 to $15,000 per month, and it will take you to your $10,000 per month income goal. To start providing lead generation services, you need to learn how to run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, or providing YouTube organic marketing, where you are providing your clients products and services using their YouTube videos. By using these kind of strategies, you can help them to generate leads and also provide them return on investment. Marketing and lead generation service is very much in demand because every business on this planet requires leads and clients if they want to sustain. Otherwise, they will go out of business in few months. So this is the best business model that can take you to your $10,000 per month income goal. And to make sure that you reach this goal, you need to have 3 levels of services that you can provide. The first is do it yourself. In this service, you can create a training program and sell it for around $1,000. This is a low ticket service that you can sell. The second level of the service you can provide is done with you. This is where you will train them and give them a coaching program where you provide them with a one-on-one help and support. And the third type of service that you can provide is done for you, where you are actually doing all the work for them and helping them to generate leads and clients. So for do-it-yourself service, you can charge $1,000. For done-with-you service, you can charge $3,000. And for done-for-you service, you can charge $5,000. This is the actual price that people are paying in international countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UAE, etc., which can help you to get that $10,000 per month income goal pretty quickly. The next question is, who to sell? The simple answer is that you have to sell to people who already have money and who are making $10,000 per month already from their business, and people who are selling high ticket products and services. These are the best type of people who will be open to paying you top fees, high fees for your products and services. So who are these kind of people? People who are basically into coaching industry, who are selling their coaching program, consulting packages, people who are selling real estate, people who are selling luxury products and services like cars, watches, etc., or people who are selling any type of services and making real good money out of their services. So these kind of people can afford to spend high fees because they are into selling high ticket products and services. The next important tip is that pick a niche that you are familiar with, that you are interested in, and you have knowledge in, because that's the most important aspect of this business. The next question is how to get clients. The only two ways to get clients is using paid ads. So if you have a budget to spend money on ads, then get started with running paid ads in social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, etc. If you don't have money to spend on ads, then start doing organic or free marketing strategies like creating videos and posting them on YouTube, growing your YouTube subscribers, and posting on social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. So this will help you to get free traffic or website visitors. Then the next step is to convert these visitors into leads, and finally you have to make sure that you filter the leads into high quality leads. You don't have to waste time in speaking with all your leads because all your leads will not be top quality leads. So you have to have a system to filter the leads into high quality leads and only spend time and speak with people who are qualified enough and give your product presentation to those leads. Follow-up is extremely important, and because it increases your sales by 7 times if you follow up with your leads on regular basis. When you are into a service-based business, it is extremely important that you automate your business, and the best way to do is to hire freelancers or employees. If you are getting started, it is difficult for you to pay salary to your employees. So the best way is to hire freelancers so that you can give them specific services and tasks to perform and pay them only when the tasks are completed. For example, you give them a certain amount of fees to build campaigns on Facebook for your clients, and if they are charging you $10 per hour and you are charging $50 to $100 per hour from your clients, you really go out and make a difference. So this will help you to scale your business and also make money on automation, which is quite essential for your growth. So you can basically hire freelancers who don't require a salary, and then you can have fun doing your business on automation. If you are looking to build this kind of lead generation business, I'm actually giving away my entire Comp5 method training, which I used to sell for between $1,000 to $3,000 absolutely free of cost. Okay, so if you are looking to grab this training, send me a WhatsApp at +91 961 943 0662. You can see the number somewhere on this video or in the description below. Send me a WhatsApp and my team will send you the login access of the entire training. You might be thinking why this guy is giving away his training absolutely free, which he used to sell for $1,000. And the answer is pretty simple. Okay, if you are someone who don't have money to buy coaching consulting services, you can take my training. It is over 10 to 15 hours of video training which gives you A to Z complete training on digital marketing and how you can go about building a lead generation business. This is not fluff, just a small training, like a 10-15 minute training. It's a complete 10 plus hours worth of full-blown training which teaches you A to Z about digital marketing. Okay, and if you are someone who don't have money to spend in coaching consulting, you can take this as a gift from me and use my training and enjoy and succeed. But if you're someone who has money, the best option for you would be to check out my training, understand that I am knowledgeable, I can generate leads for you using paid ads, and you can then basically work with me and use my lead generation services where I can help you to generate leads for your business. Because I'm sure that if you are someone who's successful, who can afford to pay a monthly fee, you will not be doing all the work yourself. Okay, so this is the simple reason. It's win-win-win situation for everyone. Okay, so just send me a WhatsApp at 961 943 0662. Make sure to enter the +91 code and I'll be sending you this training absolutely free. Plus you can go to comp5method.com and there I'm also showing you and giving you a free automated webinar where I'm teaching you how to build this kind of system for free. Now that you have learned how to build a $10,000 per month income goal, you will need to learn how to build a funnel, a step-by-step funnel which basically generates traffic from paid ads, converts them into leads, filters them into high quality leads, and finally converts them into high ticket sales. So make sure you check out this video right now, and in this video I'll be basically giving you step-by-step training on how you can build a high ticket funnel. So go here and check out my training right now. See you inside. Goodbye.